Good evening, guys. Again, we have a question that says sin 35 is equal to k. Find the following in terms of k. So, we have to find cos 55, sin 70, cos 80. So, before solving the question, so we can see we're given sin 35 here. So, we're gonna have sin 35 is equals to k. As we know, any number is out of 1, so we're gonna have k over 1. So now we're gonna look at our angle there. So our angle is 35 degrees, so which means 35 degrees is in which quadrant? It's in first quadrant. So we're gonna have our 35 degrees there. So we're gonna have sine, we know, gonna use our soccer tower, which is gonna, this is y, this is x. So sine, we're gonna use our soccer tower, which say opposite over hypotenuse, means our opposite is gonna be k. Our hypotenuse is gonna be 1. So what are we looking for now? We must find the value of x here, of the x value, the distance from here to here. We're gonna use Pythagoras theorem. So we're gonna have x squared is equals to r squared minus y squared. So we're gonna have x is equals to root of 1 minus k squared. So here we're gonna have 1 minus k squared. That's your answer there. So now we have 35 here, we have 90 here. So we're gonna find this angle here. We're gonna have we're gonna say this angle, we can let it to be theta. You can say theta is equals to 90 minus 35 degrees. You can have your reason a sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So now we're gonna have what your theta is gonna be. We're gonna have 55 degrees. So now we have your 55 degrees here. So now we are looking for cos 55. So we're gonna have cos 55 is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So what is our adjacent? Our adjacent is the base where the angle is situated. So we're gonna have k. Our angle is situated in this on this side, which is k. Then our hypotenuse is 1. So cos 55 is equals to k. So then again we're gonna find what? We're gonna find sin 70, number B. So sin 70. So now we're gonna check. We don't have 70 in our diagram. So we're gonna find two values that make 70. So two values that make 70 is what? It's 35 multiplied by 2. So we're gonna have sine, then we're gonna have 2 into 35. This is gonna give us 70. And we know if now we have these two here, it makes this sine a double angle. So now we're gonna have what? We're gonna have a double angle of sine, which is gonna say 2 sine 35 cos 35. So now we're gonna have what? We're gonna have 2 into what is sine 35. Now we are given sine 35 is equals to k, which means we're gonna have what? We're gonna have k. What is cos 35? Cos 35, we're gonna look for cos 35, which is gonna be it's gonna be what? It's gonna be adjacent over hypotenuse, which means it's gonna be your root 1 minus k squared over hypotenuse. Therefore, it's gonna be 2k root 1 minus k squared.